let's say that we have a circle on a Cartesian plane like this, and here is the center of the circle, which is marked point A. Then we have a radius to the circumference, which is marked point B. Now, following this, to form equation of a circle whose center is at this point, this is the center of the circle, and this is the radius, whose center is here, and radius R joining point B on the circumference of this circle. So here we can say that the distance which is equal to, that's the distance from point A to point B, is this R, right? So we can take that the distance is equal to R. So now for us to find this distance, the distance is calculated by taking the square root of y minus b square plus x minus a square. So to get the distance now, but the required equation that we are going to need is that we are going to square both sides. By squaring both sides, as we cancel this square root here, so we are going to have r square, which is equal to y minus b square plus x minus a square. So this is the required equation in forming equation of a circle. So with this, let's attempt one question so that we can apply this equation. So let's say that find the equation of a circle. Let's find the equation of a circle. Find the equation. Find the equation of a circle whose center, equation of a circle that have a center at point 2 and minus 3, and the radius, is 4. So we want to form the equation of a circle that have this center and the radius 4. So by recalling this equation here, which says that r square is equal to what? Y minus b squared plus x minus a squared. So in this question, r is this radius, which is 4. R is 4, and our point A is 2, our point B is minus 3. So where we have R, we are going to put in this 4. Where we have A, we put in 2. Where we have B, we put in minus 3. So that's going to be like this. 4 square is equal to y minus this minus. Now B is what? B is minus 3. So we are going to have minus 3 here. Then plus x is what? Okay, our x remains x. Then minus our a is what? A is 2. Sorry, this is squared and this is squared. So this will give us 4 square, which is equal to y minus times minus is plus 3 square plus x minus 2 square. Okay, so at this point we are going to expand this bracket here. So by expanding this bracket, we are going to say 4 square is what? 4 times 4 is 16. which is equal to, so if we expand this bracket, you know how to expand the bracket, right? Okay, in case you have little difficulties, let's just take it down here. Y plus 3 square, which is y plus 3 times y plus 3. So if you multiply y times y, that will be y square. Y times 3 is what? Plus 3y. Then 3 times y, that's plus 3y. Then 3 times 3 is 9. So here you can just collect like terms here. So that will be y squared plus 3y plus 3y, that's 6y, then plus 9. So if we expand this, we are going to have y squared plus 6y plus 9. Then we do the same thing here. We do the same thing to this bracket here. So if I bring in this plus down here, so I'm going to expand this. So let me expand that here. S minus 2 square, which is s minus 2 times x minus 2. So x times x is what? S square. S times minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 2x times 2 is minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. So you collect like terms in this place. S square minus 2x minus 2x, that's minus 4x, then plus 4. So we are bringing that down to this space. A square minus 4s plus 4. So you know the next thing you do? You are going to collect like terms. You collect your terms here. Okay. So that's going to be 16 equal to y square plus 6y. Y square plus 6y. So bring in x square minus 4x. Then this 9 plus 4 here, that will give us 13. You know, we are trying to form an equation. So we are going to equate everything to 0. Before we equate this to 0, we have to bring in this 16 down here. So by bringing this 16 to cross over this equality sign, it will become minus. So we are going to have y square, then bring everything that have square first. Y square plus x square, that's the arrangement. S square, then followed by x minus 4x, then followed by y, which is plus 6y. Then we bring in this 16. When we bring in this 16 here, it's going to become minus 16, right? So 13 minus 16, that will give us minus 3. Minus 3, so equal to what? 0. So this becomes the equation of the circle.